Mastering reported speech, the art of reporting, should. Hello, English learners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of reported speech, specifically focusing on the modal verb, should. It's a simple but essential aspect of English grammar, and knowing how to report should correctly can make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's jump right into it. Before we dive into how to report should in reported speech, it's important to understand its function in direct speech. Should is a modal verb used to give advice, to make recommendations, or to talk about what is right or wrong. For instance, you should study for the exam, or, she said, I should go to the gym more often. Now let's look at how to convert should into reported speech. In many cases, should remains should when we convert a sentence from direct to reported speech. For instance, if someone said, you should study for the exam, in reported speech it would be, she said that you should study for the exam. Similarly, she said, I should go to the gym more often, becomes, she said that she should go to the gym more often. The crucial point to remember here is that the verb, should, doesn't change in reported speech. But remember to change the pronouns and adjust the tense of the main verb if necessary to make the sentence contextually correct. When reporting should, learners often make a few common mistakes. The first one is overcomplicating the reporting verb. Should doesn't change, so there's no need to try and find an equivalent verb. The second mistake is failing to adjust the pronouns and other elements of the sentence to fit the context. Always remember to check the entire sentence for consistency. And that's it, folks. I hope you now have a firm understanding of how to use should in reported speech. It's an incredibly straightforward rule, but remembering to apply it correctly will undoubtedly help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go out there, practice, and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.